Do you want to spatchcock a chicken so you can cook the entire thing evenly, either sous vide style in the oven, for roasted chicken, grilled, or maybe even for barbecue chicken or in the smoker? Well, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to spatchcock a chicken. Actually, my husband's going to be in the video using his hands because he used to be a chef and he's really I don't know, into doing these sort of projects with me. So anyways, I'm going to show you exactly how to spatchcock a chicken so you can sous vide it or cook it another way evenly without having to worry about the airflow and any issues that come up when you're cooking an entire chicken intact. So let's get right to it. Subscribe to the Sit Bite Go channel on YouTube to see other easy ways to do food prep and delicious sous vide recipes. Before you get out those kitchen shears, you need to clean up the spatchcock chicken for sous vide or grilling or barbecue. So what you're going to do is just rinse it out and then you can pat it dry so later it'll take on the herbs and spices that you use to season the chicken. And once it's out of the packaging, it's going to really expand before you get to butterflying the chicken. So let's walk through how to spatchcock the chicken. You're going to need to get out some sharp kitchen shears, and what you're going to do is flip the chicken so the chicken breast side is down. That'll bring the backbone up so you're able to cut it out. So you cut along the backbone on one side, and then you cut along the backbone on the other side. Make sure not to hit the bone, and as you can see, using really sharp shears is pretty critical so you can make a nice even cut. It does get slippery when you're doing this. So you fully remove the backbone, and you could also you could discard it, or if you're like us, you could put it in a bag in the freezer. That is for making chicken stock later. But anyways, so you get that bone out of there, and then you flip over the chicken, and you have to really push it down, and you kind of break the bones so they completely flatten out. See, you can't just cook the chicken in its original shape because it's not going to cook evenly. And this is the fastest way to make sure you can cook the entire sous vide chicken evenly so it comes out beautifully when it's done in the sous vide bath. Now, I know that, sous vide is often how I finish a lot of my food. I am a sous vide cookbook author and I do love doing it as a hobby, but there are other ways to enjoy it. It's much easier to cook in a grill once you spatchcock the chicken. You can also roast it in the oven, in a cast iron skillet. You could put it in a smoker. There are so many things that you can do, but this is really going to help to do this spatchcock prepping step by step like I just showed you. It only takes a couple of minutes and then your chicken will cook more evenly. Well, for more delicious recipes and ideas for food prepping, including ways to just go grocery shopping 1 month at a time, well, you can head over to sitbitego.com, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Sit Bite Go channel on YouTube. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers! Oh, and don't forget to pick out another YouTube video from the Sit Bite Go channel to watch.